Water is spreading across the kitchen floor or dripping through a bedroom ceiling, and the instinct is to grab the phone, but the first name you think of is not always the right one. A plumber, a water damage crew, an electrician, and your insurance company can all get pulled into the same afternoon, and each one owns a different piece of it. Calling the wrong one first burns time, and water that could have stayed in one room works its way into a subfloor or a wall cavity where it sits unseen. If the cause is a burst pipe or a failed appliance, stopping the source comes before anything else. Then it is time to call for extraction. For most Chesapeake homeowners, one call to a water damage crew gets extraction started, while the other calls, the plumber and the insurer, happen alongside it. Not sure who to call for water damage in Chesapeake? Call us. 757-982-3921.